Look, I'm on a hunt trying to catch a connect. I'm the truth and y'all bitches more like Jussie Smollett. I'm addicted to hood niggas cause they sex me the best. I ain't heard a single rapper that can step to me yet. My appetite is destruction, bitch, you a piece of cake. It's hard to draw a comparison to these rappers, so I leave it blank. I got hustle in my DNA. The first woman in my family who ain't trying to be a CNA. These war stories turn me to a casualty. I'm stacking green, turn my rap verses to a salary. They mad at me. I'm the first to come and the last to leave. My eyes red, they thought I was high, but it's from lack of sleep. I'm sitting comfy in the master suite with a butler by my bed that give me anything I ask or need. This come from hard work, I had to eat and had to bleed, bitch. This how you turn a peasant to a majesty. I cruise the city while I listen to pop. Thug life for the 4-5 that sit on my crotch. And I'm the new kid on the block. In high school I used to double, now I want them cause this bitch is a op. Early mornings, long nights with no time to relax. Y'all niggas really think somebody writing my raps only my life can influence my lyrics. But oh, I get it, it's easier to assume when there's some shit that y'all ain't used to hearing. I made a vow to never lay down or settle, cause a bored mind is just a playground for the devil. Hard times made my mother break down. It was stressful, them crackers ain't make it easy if your face brown and yellow. Big mama in the kitchen, how I'm cooking hits. And when they taste my food for thought, they say, damn, you put your foot in this. Hard times I never could forget, cause when it rained, it poured, but I never drowned, I just took a sip.